um, join different programs that would show you strategies on how to be successful in affiliate marketing. The good thing about the Atlas Academy is that once you're a member of the Internet Income System, you're never going to have to purchase another product again. It covers everything, guys. Affiliate Marketing Academy, Paid Traffic Academy, Faceless Content Academy, Viral Clipping, AI Marketing, High Level Marketing, YouTube Marketing, Mindset Mastery, List Building Academy, Creative Copywriting, Network Marketing. Everything is here. All the education you could ever want is here. And guys, this is not rehashed material. This is not outdated material. This is material that is brand new, and it is coming from affiliate marketers who are earning right now currently millions of dollars per month in affiliate marketing commissions every single month. In addition, guys, you're going to get daily Zoom calls. I mean, that is huge.